Littlebird AI is touted as a top-tier research tool, but does it really live up to the hype? With so many options out there, it's crucial to find one that truly delivers. Let's dive into what Littlebird AI has to offer. Littlebird AI aims to streamline the research process by leveraging artificial intelligence to help users discover relevant content and insights. It's designed for researchers, students, and professionals who need to sift through vast amounts of information quickly. The platform uses advanced algorithms to curate articles, papers, and studies tailored to specific topics or queries, which can save users a significant amount of time. Upon first use, the interface feels relatively user-friendly, with a clean layout that allows for easy navigation. You can set up personalized feeds that align with your interests or ongoing projects, which is a nice touch. However, some users might find the depth of the search results a bit inconsistent. While you can get some valuable insights, there are moments where the relevance seems off, leaving you wanting more clarity on how the AI ranks its sources. Overall, it's a solid tool, but there are areas where transparency could be improved. One of the standout strengths of Littlebird AI is its ability to save time by aggregating research content in one place. This is a game changer for anyone overwhelmed by endless search results. However, it does come with some drawbacks. For instance, the AI's content selection can sometimes feel hit or miss, leading to frustration when the results don't align with your expectations. Additionally, while the interface is sleek, some users may find it lacking in advanced filtering options that could enhance the research experience. Pricing could also be a concern. If you're on a budget, you might want to weigh whether the tool offers enough value for the investment. Overall, while it has its merits, it may not suit everyone, especially those who need highly specific results or advanced features. In summary, Littlebird AI is worth considering if you're looking for a tool to simplify your research process. It's particularly beneficial for casual researchers or students. However, if you require precise results or advanced functionalities, you might want to explore other options. It's a decent effort, but not without its flaws.